Monday.com date picker column tutorial. So hey guys, today in this video we're going to talk about the date picker column, which is an amazing feature of Monday.com. So without much ado, the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see we will be redirected here on the home page, and there are some boards that we're working on. We can open any board we want. So the date is already here, but we are going to delete it, and then we're going to add a new date column. So what we can do is add column to the right, and then we can add date right here. So if we select the date, we'll automatically be given the date of today. You know that this date that I'm making this video on, that date. So in order to change the date, we can write it if we want, like April 17th, and it's gonna pop up right here. The other amazing feature of this date picker is that, let me just show you what we can do. We can go here down into settings and then customize date column. We can do customize date column, and here these are the features of the date picker. We can click show time by default, add icon to date, show week number as well, and we are good to go. We can also sync other calendars if we want, like Google Calendar and other calendars, but it's good. Now, if we click on this date, we can see this amazing feature, this new feature that we have just selected. So this is the date picker, and you can see how amazing this new feature is that we can use. Uh, so that is all about the date picker column. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.